Hello, trading has closed on October 22nd, 2024. We'll do our disclaimer, go over our calls, make our predictions. It's my trading plan for Wednesday, which is October 23rd, 2024. Any trades you make should be made at your own risk, because my calls can be wrong. Look for the pattern today with the early high, which is this, and tomorrow should have the early low. We said yesterday's pattern was positive, and if we could hold on to this at today's open, we should see higher prices. Well, obviously, we didn't hold on to it, so there was no call. And even if I don't say it, gapping sharply in the undesired direction kills the call before the open, so there wasn't any call. I did say if the pairs could gap and undercut this low promptly, they had a chance to make something out of this. We gapped and undercut this low promptly, so bears have a chance, and time's not up yet. They could still follow through. It's a reminder of what we said. Might get something started. We've had all kinds of threats from the bears, but until they break some lows, we can't commit too much money to the short side in what we think is going to be a correction in a strong bull market. Well, early on, we got an ultimate sell signal. We don't really have to get more than that. We usually do, but you don't have to, so that's played out. MEJT now says this big rally's not for keeps. Target's 58, 41, 51, and if we don't gap up smartly tomorrow, that's my call. Well, we started out with this big rally, rallied all day, but at the close, couldn't close any of these prior highs. And time doesn't run out until tomorrow. We could still gap up here and save the pattern. But if you rally all day, can't close over those highs, that's just backing and filling and doesn't mean anything. Especially when we close unchanged, I just repeat my call from the prior day, which is we're waiting for a drop followed by a big rally. Now, even though futures are down as I'm recording this, bulls still have a chance because of this wall into the close. This happens the last 5 minutes. It doesn't always mean that much. I mean, we could gap up here and you have a bullish pattern. And that we don't know till the open. But as of right now, futures are down. We have a lower target. As of right now, at least, the rally didn't accomplish anything. And we still have a wave count compatible with this leg being over. So tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Typically it's a rally day with a high in the final hour, but if it's weak, we should see more weakness in days to come. We have a lower MEJT target. Unless we gap up smartly, the rules call for it to print. If we don't gap up smartly, the target's my call. Today's rally couldn't clear prior highs, and that's bearish. But we have a wall in the last 5 minutes and makes the whole thing kind of iffy, and you can't rule out gapping up. And that we're not going to know till the open. But for right now, it's just backing and filling a negative pattern, lower target. Either you gap up smartly or the rules call for that to print. It's a pattern with the early low, and that's my call.